All right, second grade. We're going to be talking a little bit about our notebooks today. So your orthography notebooks are ready to be picked up at school. You can come get them anytime. And it would be great if your parents or someone is able to come get them soon, because this is a really wonderful tool that's going to help us organize our different grammar rules, our words, all these things. If we come get this and are using it well, it's really going to be so helpful to us. All right, so when you get your notebook, come and watch this. Well, if you don't have it right now, you can do it on practice paper. We'll be starting on page 38. So there's a big chunk in the middle of our notebook, and this is where we put our spelling lessons. All right, you can see we've got 4 sections on either page. All right, we're going to start with the first lesson, which are our words from Monday. And at the top, I'll show you what to put. I like to put this. I don't know what other people put, but we're working on list F of our spelling words, and this is the first day. So I put F-1. All right, and so we're going to review our spelling words. If you're not sure and you've been struggling a little bit, go ahead and do it on practice paper first. All right, this we want to remember, we always want to keep it really beautiful. All right, so our list F1, let's review it. All right, the first word we learned was love. Class, what was our first word? Good, love. How do we say love to spell it? Good, love. So what are you going to write to spell love? Do English words end with the? What do we have to add? Good, silent final, E job 2. Write those sounds, say them while you write them. All right. Go ahead and put your finger under that first sound in the word you just wrote and read it to me. What does it say? Good. O, ah, good. And excellent. Silent final, E job 2. All right. And since we've already learned it, it's fine for you to mark it by yourself and then just check your markings. So this is just a practice, right? We already learned how to spell this word. I'll help you out a little bit again because I don't want us to practice it wrong. But this is just a practice getting it in our head. All right, so this is what your love should look like. All right, our next word was people. People. How do we say people to spell it? Excellent. We have to say people. Say that with me. People. All right. So remember, we've got 3 syllables. P, O, P. All right. Write the sounds in people. Say them while you write them. All right, class, tell me what I need to write to spell people. All right, don't I need something here? Good. Silent final, E job 4. We cannot have an English syllable without a vowel. All right, so and hopefully you marked your word after you wrote it. So to spell this word, what do we say? Good, we say people to spell it. When we're speaking though, what do we say? People. Good. All right. The next word is father. What's the word? Good, father. Which ah do we use in father? Good, a-ah. And which Good, the of her. It's 2 syllables. Write those sounds. Say them while you write them. All right, put your finger under the first phonogram in father. Read me what you wrote. Good. Which ah? Good, a-ah. And which Good, the of her. All right, and when we're doing our markings, I want us to start at the beginning of the word and go through it so we get all of them. Right, don't just mark what you remember. Look at each thing and ask, try and remember, does that need a marking? All right. The next word is feel. Class, what's the word? Good, feel. I feel good today. Feel. Which E do we use in feel? Good, E-double-E always says E. Write those sounds, say them while you write them. All right, class, put your finger under the first phonogram in feel. What does it say? Good. Which E? Good. E-double-E always says E, and good. Oh. All right, the next word is until. Class, what's the word? Good, until. How many syllables until? Show me. Good, we need 2 syllables. Remember your syllable break. Everything in this word is just making its first sound, so this one should be no problem to spell. Go ahead and write the sounds, say them while you write them. All right, put your finger under the first phonogram in that word you just wrote and read me what you wrote. Good, good, excellent. Oh, good. There's nothing to mark in this. Everything's saying its first sound and there's no multi-letter phonograms. All right. Our next word is friend. Uh-oh, friend is a 2-way word. How do we have to say friend to spell it? Good, we have to say fry end. All right, one more time, how do we say it to spell it? Good, fry end. All right, and which I do we use at the end of that first syllable? Good, it's I-E. Write the sounds in fry end and say them while you write them. All right, put your finger under the phonogram you just wrote, or the first phonogram in the word you just wrote. What does it say? Good. Which I? Good, I-E. Good, F. Good, D. All right, nice job, class. How do I need to mark this? Excellent. I need to double underline it. We don't hear it in the word, but we have to have it there to spell it correctly. All right, nice job. Class, if you were doing this on your practice paper, go ahead and write it in this very first lesson box in your notebook. All right. Nice work. I'll see you in the next video.